And welcome along to the Hints and Tips session part 2, covering parts, assemblies and drawings. So let's take a look at the linear pattern tool itself this time. If I edit the feature, by default, the standard way a linear pattern tool would work would be the spacing and instances option. So a 30mm spacing, 16 instances. However, what you may have missed a few years ago is we got the option to add a linear pattern using the up to reference option instead. So if we switch to this, what we can do is we can pattern the hole again, but we can determine where it should finish. So let's say the end of this extrusion. You can also choose to include an offset from that extrusion endpoint as well. So if I increase this offset, what it'll find is if a hole is too close to that end face, it will remove it automatically. Or if I kind of decrease the value here, we could maybe get another hole closer to the end face. But let's stick with 30mm to begin with. Below that is an option to control whether I want to control the spacing set at 30mm or I want to control the number of instances. So again, if I set the number of instances to 15 in this instance, click OK, and take a look at how SOLIDWORKS controls the holes, you can see again it's controlling the spacing between the instances. However, if I go back and change that to control the distance or the spacing itself, I'm going to set it to 30mm, confirm, and watch this time. As we increase the length of the extrusion, it's adding extra holes in behind, or if we decrease the extrusion, it's removing holes automatically for us as well. A great way of controlling our linear pattern.